Good morning. Happy Sunday. If I look like I freshly just woke up, I did like 20 minutes ago. I can't believe it. Look what time it is. Yeah, it's noon. I naturally woke up at 8 a.m. Went to the bathroom, got a little bit on my phone, and then I'm like, no, we're gonna sleep. We're gonna sleep like we don't sleep. I'm just kidding. I usually get good enough sleep, but I was like, we're just gonna sleep until we want to get out of bed and get up. So when I woke up again, it was like 11:30, and then I fought myself a little bit more. I was like, okay, a little bit more sleep. And finally, when it was close to noon, it was like 11:50. I was like, we're getting up. Having a late start to this beautiful Sunday. Feliz 9 de Julio. It's practically like Argentina's 4th of July. So that's nice. Happy birthday, Argentina. There's not much planned besides I just want to relax and see where the day leads me. Gotta get a lot of I say I want to relax, but there's so much I need to do. There's laundry, dishes stuff and things like that. But anyway, I think that's all I have for now. I'm wearing a pretty dress, and I think I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup just to feel put together, and also because I'm breaking out. I get my period in about a week. Love that for me. I still have to edit yesterday's vlog. I had been doing it like the night of, but lately I'm doing it the next day. But it's fine. They're coming out on that day. So day 9 coming to you soon. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Beautiful Sunday. Hopefully I don't forget to vlog much. And I've been doing pretty well, okay? And I can't believe it's already like 9 days in out of what, like 30, 31. All right. There's anybody else like me that you don't finish your coffee. I'm gonna warm it up and have it later. But for now, just having some mate. Oh, hi. Hola! We are going to Goodwill in hopes of finding a lamp. Well, maybe 2. I don't know. I think I want a lamp in my nightstand. Oh, the bug's outside. And then I think I kind of want to see what I can find as far as like a lamp for the kitchen. I know it might seem weird, but I think it would be really cute and homey. But also because not so much the kitchen itself, but like the counter right in front of the kitchen. Because I feel like at night the light from the kitchen just doesn't hit well over the sink. It's kind of hard to explain, but regardless, I'm hoping to find something like that. So I'm gonna take you with me. And then the last thing, I'm hoping maybe to go through the book section. I don't know, we'll see. They don't really have much options, unfortunately. I had to put my hair up because it was hot in there, but no lamp. As you saw, they were kind of crappy, but I did get this book that it's called Wahala, and it's about friendship and food. Apparently a lot of the you know, the little things in the back say that it's fun, it's modern, it kind of reminds them of Sex and the City, but it has to do a lot with friendships and food and things like that. I have to go get something for my legs, like to shave them, and then I'm going home and I'm hungry, so bye. I make a run for it, it's literally pouring. Or, since it's Florida, do I just wait 5 minutes and it'll end? Actually, that's a lie. Yesterday it rained for a good 20-something minutes, I would say. So I think we're making a run for it. Wish me luck. I remembered I have this. Oh yeah. Alright, we're back in the car, but for the record, yes, we're soaked. My shoes! My feet are so wet. Oh well, let's go home. I have to use the bathroom so bad and all this water is not helping. So, I've just showered. And this is why we can't have nice things. Just cleaning up my eyebrows with this. And